So fix each fragment, add a subject or a predicate from the box. Rewrite it on the line that follows. Use a capital letter and a period. So, eats hay. Does the farmer eat hay? Does a horse eat hay? I think that sentence sounds right. So, a horse eats hay. Something's wrong with that sentence, though. A right here was not capitalized, so I didn't capitalize it, but it's the beginning of my sentence. So I should capitalize it, right? And I made eats a lowercase e because it was in the middle of a sentence, and it's not the name of something. It's not a proper noun, so I made it lowercase. So, a horse eats hay. Cool. We got that one out of the way. So, now, the dog. The dog, what? The farmer, the dog? The subject will go in the beginning of the sentence, like a horse went in the beginning of this sentence right here. But predicates go at the end. So the dog barks. It wouldn't be barks the dog. It would say the dog barks. So let's add that in there. Almost capitalized dog. The dog barks. And easy, right? Okay, so continue the rest on your own. My best bet is to make sure you cross these out so you don't get confused either. All right, on to math. So part 1, arrays and multiplication. I'm going to let you know right now, I'm crossing this one off because this one, it does not make any sense and doesn't go with what we're doing. So look at the dots, or look at the row of dots. Each row has 4 dots. Each row. Remember, rows go this way, columns go this way. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the row, but there's 1 row. So 1, and then you bring the 1 over here, times 4 dots equals 4 dots altogether. Now let's try this one. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows. Now it wants to know how many dots are all together. So how many dots were in each row? 3 times 4 equals, and let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. So there's 12 dots all together. Now, this one is the same exact thing, except you're going to be adding in the columns now. So let's count how many rows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rows. Now, how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3. And we already know up here that 3 times 4 was 12. So that means 4 times 3 is 12. That's the associative property. So we know there's 12. Now go ahead and do the addition worksheet on your own. My suggestion, what's easier for me, is to add stuff going this way, 7, like so for instance, number 1, 700 plus 50 plus 9, and add them that way. So like 9, 5, and 7, so 759.